what happens when there is disruption in binocular single vision? We will see double, right? To avoid double vision, our eyes will try to do each and everything. Okay, so these is called basically sensory adaptations. The sensory adjustments done by our eyes to avoid double vision is called sensory adaptations. Okay. Sensory adaptations may be suppression, amblyopia, or abnormal retinal correspondence. I'll just discuss in very short detail. Okay. Suppression means, suppose our one eye is having a very good vision. Suppose my right eye is having very good vision, my left eye is having very poor vision. So my brain will take into account vision of my right eye. The bad eye's vision will be neglected by the brain in course of time. So that's how it will give rise to lazy eye. The poor eye, the eye having poor vision will become amblyopic or lazy eye. Okay, so this is called suppression. Suppression means one eye is dominating over another eye. Okay, now this suppression, when it is continued for a long time, okay, when it is continued for a long time, it will give rise to amblyopia or lazy eye. Okay, so this is very important to note, because for a child we need to prevent lazy eye at an earlier age. So what is the thing? When we see through our both eyes, image is formed by the image is formed in our retina, right? The clearest image by the good eye will be taken into account. Okay, suppose my one of the eye is having higher refractive error, the other is having zero refractive error. Okay, so the eye having zero refractive error will have 6/6 vision very easily. The other eye having higher refractive error will have blur vision. So that blurry vision my brain will not accept that blurry vision. Instead, they will accept the good eye's vision. So that is how my bad eye is getting suppressed, and eventually it is giving rise to lazy eye. So my bad eye will become lazy. That means the image formed by the bad eye, my brain will not take into account the image formed by the bad eye. So though I am having both eyes, slowly only my one eye will become active, the other eye will become lazy. Okay, this is the thing which happens when there is an disruption in binocular single vision. In squint cases, basically this will happen, and if one eye is having high refractive error, this will happen. Okay, sometimes in squint cases, what is happening, we can have abnormal retinal correspondence. Okay, abnormal retinal correspondence, it is a critical condition.